សូមអញ្ជើញលោកប្រធានពុទ្ធការាមលោកសុភ័ក្រងៅមកលើឆាក Ja, thank you. Can I please have President Ngau to the stage, please? President Ngau, he is the President of Cambodian Buddhist Society. To the stage. Thank you.
បាទចឹងជាដំបូងខ្ញុំបាទសូមជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ I say welcome to everybody that spend your time to join us for Cambodian New Year. But thank you so much. My English is not good, but I just want you guys. I see a lot of people that come here. They don't speak Cambodia. I try my best. But អញ្ចឹងបន្តទៅនេះខ្ញុំនឹងនិយាយខ្មែរជាដំបូងនេះខ្ញុំបានសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណជាអនេកប្បការចំពោះព្រះសង្ឃគ្រប់ព្រះអង្គចំពោះគណៈកម្មការយើងដែលបានស្ម័គ្រចិត្តចូលបម្រើសមាគមពុទ្ធិកសមាគមខ្មែរគឺវត្តពុទ្ធិការាមដោយស្ម័គ្រចិត្តអត់មានការបង្ខិតបង្ខំសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណចំពោះលោកយាយលោកតាទាំងអស់បាទដែលតែងមក support វត្តនិងបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ទោះបីយូរមកម្ដងក៏ដោយប៉ុន្តែថ្ងៃនេះឃើញវត្តមានច្រើនណាស់ដែលបានជើញមកចូលរួមទោះបីមានភ្លេងមានផ្គរមានខ្យល់យ៉ាងណាក៏ដោយឃើញថាមនុស្សច្រើនមែនទែនអញ្ចឹងសូមអរគុណជាអនេកប្បការហើយសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណចំពោះអ្នកស្រី Christina និង Your partner Thank you so much that spend your time to join us បាទអូខេហ្នឹងហើយតទៅនេះសូមជូនពរជ័យសិរីមង្គលប្រសិទ្ធពរជ័យជូនបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលមានវត្តមានមុខនៅទីនេះសូមឲ្យជួបប្រទេសសេចក្តីសុខសេចក្តីចម្រើនពុទ្ធពរ4ប្រការជាពិសេសគឺសុខភាពល្អ Healthy is very important if no health we cannot do nothing right so the Buddha bless you guys to get very healthy yeah but so thank you so much ហ្នឹងសូមអរគុណជូនពរសុខភាពទាំងអស់ព្រះលោកសម្ដែងថាអារុជាបរមាលាភាការមានទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិមិនស្មើនឹងការអត់រោគអញ្ចឹងការអត់មានរោគគឺសំខាន់បំផុតបាទអញ្ចឹងមិនអោយវែងឆ្ងាយទេហើយខ្ញុំក៏មិននិយាយវែងឆ្ងាយដែរបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមជូនពរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយសូមសប្បាយរីករាយជាថ្ងៃចុងក្រោយថ្ងៃនេះបាទហើយម៉ោងប្រហែលជា3 4មានចាប់ឆ្នោតជាការកំសាន្តមាន iPhone iPad ណាញាតិញោមពុទ្ធបរិស័ទទាំងអស់ចង់ទិញអាចទិញបានបាទលុយអត់យកទៅណាទេគឺវត្តទេបាទយើងធ្វើជាកម្មវិធីចាប់ឆ្នោតឡើងដើម្បីកំសាន្តសប្បាយនៅក្នុងឆ្នាំនេះនិយាយរួមយើងធ្វើរាល់ឆ្នាំប៉ុន្តែឆ្នាំនេះក៏យើងធ្វើដែរឆ្នាំក្រោយចាំយើងគិតតទៅទៀតចឹងសូមអរគុណច្រើនបាទជូនពរសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នា Thank you so much
ចាសូមអរគុណ President សុភ័ក្រងៅ Next up I would like to welcome Miss Natalie Chuan, the chairman of Cambodia Buddhist Society Culture Committee, to the stage to share more about the temple cultural program and scholarship. Thank you.
Thank you first. I thank you very much for all my friends, my community parent volunteer លោកឪពុកអ្នកម្ដាយទាំងអស់ខ្ញុំនឹងនិយាយមិនជាមួយនៅអង់គ្លេសហើយខ្មែរទៀតចាសូមអរគុណជាអនាគតការដែលបានអញ្ជើញមកក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះដើម្បី celebrate Cambodian New Year ហើយខ្ញុំសប្បាយក្នុងនាមជា woman មួយនៅក្នុង Cultural Art the Cambodian Buddhist Society I'm very proud and very proud of the community ដែលជួយវត្តយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាច្រើនណាស់ហើយក៏សូម welcome ថ្ងៃនេះយើងមាន performance ដែលយើងនឹងបង្ហាញនៅរបាំ6 including music ដែលយើងរៀនតាំងពីមានគឺតាំងពី September រហូតមកដល់ April គឺថ្ងៃនេះយើងបង្ហាញ show all the culture and the education ដែលយើងចេះក្នុងរយៈពេល6ខែនេះចាសូមអរគុណណាស់គឺសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ហើយក៏សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណចំពោះលោកឪពុកអ្នកម្ដាយលោកយាយលោកពូលោកមីដែលបានតែងតែ support តែងតែនាំកូនចៅឲ្យមករៀននៅ culture ក្នុងវត្តអារាមរបស់យើងខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តនឹងសូមមេត្តាអភ័យទោសបើសិនជាក្នុងករណីខ្លះដែលខ្ញុំមានការស្គមឆ្គងឬក្រុមយើងមានការស្គមឆ្គងសូមអរគុណហើយសូមជូនពរសូមថ្ងៃនេះ enjoy the day enjoy the show ហើយក៏សូមឲ្យមានសុខភាពល្អ the best of health and fortune and ជាពិសេសគឺឲ្យនៅតែស្អាតល្អជានិច្ច Happy New Year សួស្តីឆ្នាំថ្មីអរគុណ
ចាសូមអរគុណអ្នកមីង
No, at the bottom here. Yeah, pull it out and then you can tone it to the left.
ចាជាបន្ទាប់មកនេះនាងខ្ញុំសូមអញ្ជើញអ៊ំណារិនជេមសិនមកប្រកល់សញ្ញាបត្រឲ្យអ្នកគ្រូម៉ាសាឌីម៉ានីអ្នកគ្រូបានទទួលពានរង្វាន់ពានរង្វាន់ពីរដ្ឋ Maryland ប្រចាំឆ្នាំ 2026 នៅក្នុងការខិតខំប្រឹងថែរក្សាមរតកវប្បធម៌ខ្មែរយើងអស់រយៈជាពេលជាច្រើនឆ្នាំមកហើយ We are very thankful to អ្នកគ្រូម៉ាសាឌី that keep our culture alive. So we would like to ask Omnaran to provide the certificate to Nekru Masadi Mani. Just some Jane.
Thank you so much, everyone, for attending this wonderful gathering and celebration of our New Year. I have to read. សួស្តីឆ្នាំថ្មី Thank you so much, the community, for the opportunity to speak and see you all this morning, and I'm so happy to see so many of you interested in our culture. We are so grateful and very elated. We Cambodian in the DC area, we truly fortunate to have such a wonderful community and a beautiful pagoda, a place where we can find solace, peace and serenity. We are united and work together in harmony across all areas, especially within the cultural community. Thank you, everyone. As a former chairman of the community, the cultural community, I'm so amazed to see the growth of the program. It has grown so much, nearly doubling in size since I stepped down, particularly in the dance classes under the leadership of Master Masadi Mani. Yay! Kru Masadi has worked tirelessly to elevate classical dance. She beautiful bridges the past and the present and preserving, refining by movements, music, costume, and color combination, I'm sorry. every detail is handled with care and precision. She even sings and guides each movement, truly a master of her art. Bravo, Naku Masati.
The land is crooked, that's why. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's perfect. I don't know if we knock it down. And don't walk and trip and mess it up.
Thank you, everybody, one more time.
That is a wonderful achievement. Thank you so much, Nakru.
Good afternoon, everyone. Again, my name is Jamie Locke, and I'm honored to serve as one of the co-MCs for today's New Year celebration. We have a distinguished guest with us today from the Governor's Office of Maryland. At this time, I welcome Christina Poi, who is the Administrative Director of the Governor's Commission on Asian American and Pacific Islander Affairs, to the stage.
Thank you. It's a delight to be here. Thanks, Jamie. You know, I first came to the Cambodian Buddhist Temple back in 2015 for Community Day. And since then, it was Savan who invited me. He was one of the commissioners of the Governor's Commission on Asian Pacific American Affairs. So it's my great privilege to be here on behalf of the Governor's Office of Community Initiatives and to bring greetings from Governor Wes Moore and Lieutenant Governor Aruna Miller. I want to wish everybody Surstay Cham Wai. Surstay Cham Mai. I have a proclamation from the Governor of Maryland. And I actually brought two of the same proclamation. One is for the Cambodian Buddhist Society, and I also have one for the Cambodian Buddhist Society Cultural Committee. And it reads, from the Governor of the State of Maryland for Cambodian New Year, April 14th to the 19th of 2026, whereas Cambodian New Year, also known as the Khmer New Year, is a cherished tradition marking the end of the harvest season and the beginning of New Year filled with renewal, hope, and prosperity. And whereas the Cambodian Buddhist Temple of Maryland, Wat Buddhist Karama, serves as a vital spiritual and cultural center, preserving and promoting Cambodian heritage, traditions, and Buddhist practices for the community. And whereas Cambodian New Year is observed through prayer, offerings, traditional music and dance, and gatherings that strengthen bonds among families, friends, and the broader community. And whereas this celebration provides an opportunity to honor elders and ancestors, express gratitude, and pass on cultural values and traditions for future generations. And whereas the Cambodian Buddhist Temple of Maryland plays a vital role in fostering cultural understanding, unity, and appreciation for the rich heritage of the Cambodian people. And whereas during the Cambodian New Year, the state of Maryland joins residents across the state to observe Cambodian New Year celebration days at the Cambodian Buddhist Temple of Maryland from April 14th through the 19th, and encourages all of its members of the community to join in this meaningful celebration. Now, therefore, I, Governor Wes Moore, State of Maryland, do hereby proclaim April 14th through the 19th, 2026 as Cambodian New Year in Maryland. And do commend this observation to all of our citizens. This is signed by Governor Westmore, Lieutenant Governor Aruna Miller, and Secretary of State Susan Lee. President Nui? No. Natalie?
That means Natalie, we need you on stage. She's here. She's coming. Woo! That's an honor. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello ចាស់ Hello ចាស់របាំនេះគឺជាទី1របស់យើងគឺរបាំពងសាវតា The Legacy Dance បទពងសាវតាជាស្នាដៃនិពន្ធដាក់អុកសាស្ត្រាចារ្យនួនកងនៃសាកលវិទ្យាល័យវិចិត្រសិល្បៈនៅឆ្នាំ1958អត្ថន័យក្នុងបទបានទូមានកូនខ្មែរយើងគ្រប់គ្នាឲ្យបានដឹងពីសាវតារបស់ I'm so sorry. We're trying. Got it. Alright, sorry. We're gonna start over. បទពងសាវតាជាស្នាដៃនិពន្ធដោយលោកសាស្ត្រាចារ្យនួនកងនៃសាកលវិទ្យាល័យសិល្បៈនៅក្នុងឆ្នាំ1958 អត្ថន័យក្នុងបទនេះបានទូមា កូនខ្មែរយើងគ្រប់គ្នាឲ្យយល់ដឹងពីសាវតាខ្មែរវប្បធម៌អរិយធម៌ដ៏រុងរឿងរបស់ខ្មែរយើងកាលពីសម័យមហានគរហើយរំលឹកដល់កូនខ្មែរគ្រប់រូបឲ្យចេះថែរក្សាការពារនិងលើកតម្កើងអ្វីដែលខ្មែរមាននិងបង្ហាញពីម៉ូដដែលបានកើតមកជាកូនខ្មែរបទពងសាវតានេះត្រូវបានយកមកចងក្រងដំឡើងថ្មីជាប្រភេទរបាំបុរាណរៀបរៀងក្បាច់ក្រឡាដោយអ្នកគ្រូម៉ាសាឌីម៉ានីនិងការជួយជ្រោមជ្រែងពីសំណាក់លោកគ្រូនិងអ្នកគ្រូនៅក្នុងវត្តពុទ្ធការាម ហើយក៏ជាបទថ្មីសម្រាប់ឆ្នាំនេះដែរចា៎
Our first dance performance was the Khmer Legacy Dance. It was choreographed to bring peace to Cambodia and the world. The composition Phong Savada is a literary work authored by Professor Nguyen Phong of the Royal University of Fine Arts. At its heart, the piece serves as a profound, heartfelt call to the Khmer people, urging them to reflect upon their roots and embrace the richness of their cultural heritage. It evokes the grandeur of Khmer civilization during the Angkorian era, a time of remarkable artistic and intellectual flourishing. Through this reflection, it calls upon every Khmer individual to cherish, preserve, and elevate the legacy entrusted to them, while cultivating a deep and abiding pride in their identity and legacy. This work has been revisioned as a classical dance, its form and expression thoughtfully choreographed. The intricate structure, graceful gestures, and refined movements were meticulously arranged by our very own Asadi Mani, with the collaboration of other dance teachers here at the temple.
ចា៎បន្ទាប់មកនេះខ្ញុំសូម Please give a big round of applause for our dancer and flag holders. Our first dancer, Pauline Adams, Sky Bloomer, Sronjay, Julie Chem, Iolani Havasan, Tida Hoover, Chen Yulin Jackson, Alice Gawasan, Alisa Anong Pan, Sok Savanika Tan, Nakan Tong Chiet, Everest Bloomer, Samara Khoi, Prasad Ok, Akon.
And at this time, we have one more special guests we want to acknowledge. Today, we have a representative from the Montgomery County Office of Executive on behalf of County Executive Elrich. Mr. Ishan, who is the liaison to the Asian American and Pacific Islander community.
Hi, good afternoon. Oh, I'm tired now. That's okay. Thank you so much. Let's give another round of applause for all the performers. They're out here in short sleeve and skirts, and it's cold, right? So I'm here on behalf of the county executive. He can't make it this year. He's been here almost every year except for during COVID. So he's really sorry he couldn't make it today. But he wanted me to bring greetings on his behalf. He wanted to wish everybody a very happy new year. He wants to thank the Cambodian Buddhist community for everything that the temple has done for our community, including our AAPI Heritage Month, putting together these grand cultural celebrations. Even though it's cold, even though it rained, look how many people showed up. So thank you so much. And he's been saying this at every single celebration this year, and I'm going to just repeat it. Montgomery County will not change who we are. We're not going to be working with ICE. That's not. This is a place where every community lives. We're a majority county, and we're not going to people live in fear. So again, we won't work with ICE. If you need anything from the county, feel free to just reach out. We're not going to, ask for status or anything like that. Please feel free to reach out if you need any help. I do have a proclamation from him. Whereas Montgomery County is home to a multitude of cultures, languages, and traditions from around the world, and whereas the Asian American and Pacific Islander community is one of the fastest growing communities in Montgomery County, representing over 60% of the total population, and continues to make innumerable contributions to the economic, cultural, and civic life of Montgomery County, and whereas the Cambodian community is celebrating the Khmer New Year from April 14th through April 16th and is engaging in a period of celebration, and whereas festivities across the county will showcase the richness of the Cambodian culture and highlight the importance of family togetherness. Now, Mark Aldrich as County Executive hereby proclaim April 14th to April 16th, 2026 as Khmer New Year in Montgomery County, Maryland. I encourage residents to join me in recognizing the contributions of the Cambodian community and take part in the celebrations across the county.
Thank you so much.
All right, now we're going to continue to our program. សូមជូនរបាំទី 2 គឺរបាំភួងនារី របាំភួងនារីព័ត៌មានអំពីសម្ផស្សនិងភាពរឹងមាំរបស់ស្ត្រីខ្មែរ ដែលនៅពេលដែលនាងសម្ដែងក្នុងសួនច្បារដើម្បីបង្ហាញពីសេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់និងភាពចម្រុងចម្រើនជូនដល់ប្រជាជននិងប្រទេសជាតិ ផ្កាពណ៌មាសដែលនាងកាត់នៅក្នុងដៃតំណាងសុភមង្គលនិងភាពសម្បូររុងរឿងរបស់ប្រទេសជាតិ
Our next dance is the Heavenly Flower Dance, depicting the beauty and strength. Those are ideal characteristics of a woman. They perform in a garden to express love and wishes for peace and prosperity to people and the world. The golden flowers that they carry in their hands symbolize happiness and love for the people, representing the abundant prosperity of the country. Please help me welcome it, our second dance. to you. Next, we have Nicole Chin and Julie Chan, Melina Mao, Chan Surya, Anita Mu. Next, Jessica Ong. And last but not least, Alicia Kim. Thank you, ladies. One last bow together. Wonderful.
Good job. You also get a lot of the
ចាបន្ទាប់មកនេះសូមជូនរបាំទី3របស់យើងគឺរបាំទឹកចិត្តកុមារពុទ្ធការាម
Well, you're fired.
ពុទ្ធការាម correction របាំនេះរៀបរៀងឲ្យអ្នកគ្រូសុទ្ធសមាលីជាពិសេសសម្រាប់សិស្សតូចៗដែលបានមកសិក្សានៅវត្តពុទ្ធការាមកាយវិការទាំងឡាយបង្ហាញពីភាពរីករាយរបស់កុមារដែលបានជួបជុំគ្នាដើម្បីហាត់រៀនរបាំខ្មែរ
Fiddlist dancers. Bye.
One more time. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Page 2. Missing some dancer. Next up, Yuna Paul. Janet Prasad. Last but not least, Mackenzie Vargas. Alright, take a bow, the whole line. Please, thank you. Good job. You guys are adorable. Đại chia vấp thổi chia cô má đang lại chặt tóc ti vót cặp chia cần lại đại miên ta kê ai mau chụp chung khnia đam bay sầm rát sê cây sầm khâm nông cá hạt riêng rờ bằm giáng bên tiệt rờ trột sấy nâng bát ti pí bát chun tiệt khmai nâng bát ti bay bát sarika kèo bà nè na chế bát châm riêng nâng là chế riêng ta bát châm riêng xong chui riêng ta bát châm riêng bên krom plane dương lên trả.
Next, we have a wonderful musical treat for you. Cambodia has two major traditional music ensembles that differ in style and instrumentation. These are Pin Piet and Mohauri. The Pin Piet orchestra is used for sacred and royal ceremonies and accompanies the court dance. Mohauri is a more popular form of music performed for entertainment. Both ensembles include the high and low pitched xylophone and one or two wind and percussion instruments. A major difference is that the Pin Piet includes two sets of low-pitched gongs, while the Mohauri ensemble includes a type of plucked zither and string instruments. Today we will be enjoying 3 songs, the first being the Khmer Harvest, the second is called the Khmer People, and the third is a parakeet song. And as Bong said here, if you know it, feel free to sing along. With that, please join me in welcoming our lovely musicians. Give it up for our musicians.
ទៀត That's the first song. Second song ជនជាតិខ្មែរ
ខ្មែរកើតនៅលើដីខ្មែរដែលតាមរករឿងអេឈ្មោះឈាមទាំងបានកើតដូចថាតែយើងជួយថែរាំងសាគុំបីខ្មែររងនៅក៏ទេណាចូលកំភ្លេចថាកើតជាខ្មែរជាខ្មែរកុំឲ្យមករទេសគេមកផងម៉ែឲ្យខ្មែរនឹងខ្មែរបែកបាំពីគ្នាអ្វីបាគេមានចំណាយប្រាំងកាំងចាយហឺហាយ៉ាងណាចូលកុំភ្លេចមុំខែមរារឿងថ្លៃថ្លាតាំងពីបុរាណព្រលឹងទៀតគឺគង់បានយូរក៏តែយើងគួររួមគ្នាគ្រប់ប្រាណតសាងភាពដល់ក្តីក្លាហានគឺខ្មែរទាំងបានខកក្តីរុងរឿង
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Isn't that beautiful? Please give it up for our talented musicians. All right, our first talented musician start with Molly Bala, Mary J, Sophia Chun, Sophia Trang, Swan Hoover, Jaden Mias Hun, Ricky Law, Lorica Beck, Dorian Prasad, Matt Regan, Soy Gosal, Soy Sopal, Thompson Sik, Amanda Sim, Savata Sin, Romacio Wagas. Last but not least, please give a round of applause to the crew Chum Ngak. Nang Le Crew Siem. They make this musical happen. They are tradition keeper. They are master. Thank you, and thank you for all your hard work.
So as our musicians transition off stage, we're going to do a recap of the Guardian Angel that we talked about earlier. So this year, in 2026, Year of the Horse, the goddess's name is Fire Horse specifically. The angel's name is Rexa Tevi. And again, she was welcomed last Tuesday, April 14th, around 10 a.m. She is daughter number 3. Her favorite color is black. Her ear accessory is the lotus. And her mode of transportation is the horse. Fun fact. Okay, let's also recap to this year. The color is purple, as you see us all wearing. That's because the first day of the new year was welcomed on a Tuesday. Okay, so let's recap, guys. Sunday, what color is Sunday? Red. Very good. That makes getting ready in the morning easy if we know what color we're wearing. Okay, Monday. Yellow. Oh, I don't know. Tuesday.
ជាខ្ញុំអត់ញ៉ាំទេ
Okay, Wednesday. Light green. So there បាច់បាបនឹងរបស់តួអង្គហនុមានស្វាប្រជុំគឺបង្ហាញនៅចរិតពិតរបស់សត្វពាហនៈភាពក្រមិចក្រមើមរួមបញ្ចូលនឹងការពុតហាត់ដងខ្លួនរាងកាយនិងអវយវៈឲ្យមានភាពរឹងមាំស្វាហាប់ទៅតាមសភនភាពនិងលក្ខណៈសំខាន់មួយនៅក្នុងតួអង្គហនុមានជាពិសេសទៅទៀតរបាំស្វាប្រជុំជួបរួមបញ្ចូលនៅក្បាច់បាតមួយចំនួនទៀតដែលសិស្សប្រុសគ្រប់រូបត្រូវចេះមុននឹងទៅរៀនរបាំផ្សេងទៀតរបាំនេះគេតែងសម្ដែងគ្រប់កាលៈទេសៈមិនរើសពេលវេលាឡើយ
Next up is the dance foundations of the monkey dance. The monkey character is one of the major roles in Khmer classical dance, along with the male, the female, and the giant characters. This particular monkey dance is taught to young boys as they begin to learn basic monkey dance movements. This dance is a foundation that will later develop into a more intricate and advanced level of dancing. It provides core movements and techniques for the monkey character, and it prepares young male performers with the strength, agility, and playfulness needed to portray the monkey. Choreography and movements from the style are used for dance performances featuring Hanuman, that's the white monkey king. Hanuman is the head of Rama's army in the battle between Rama and Ravana, as told by the Ramayana story. Please join me in welcoming our little monkey dancers to the stage.
Enjoy.
Nate. Jordan Dougherty. Liam Hernandez. Nico Hernandez. Andrew Huang. Tyson Lee. Nak Yang. Arun Nak Yang. Oliver Wang. Sebastian Wang. Xavier Wang. Great job, boys. You may exit.
Those are the cutest. Could you imagine taking them outside and do all this monkey? And they là more là hot. So là more. And the style to pick the lace out and eat. Yes. That was very cute. Okay, next up, Somchun Robam Chma. ចារបាំឆ្មាជារបាំថ្មីរបាំឆ្មាជារបាំមួយដែលបានបង្កើតឡើងនៅក្នុងជំនាន់រាជកាលព្រះមហាក្សត្រយ៉ានីស៊ីសវត្តកុសមៈនារីរតន៍សេរីវឌ្ឍនាអត្ថន័យក្នុងរបាំនេះគឺប្រើប្រាស់ពាក្យរាជសព្ទមានការគោរពស្ងប់ស្ងាញ់ព្រះបារមីរបស់ព្រះមហាក្សត្រជាទូទៅរបាំនេះជាប្រភេទរបាំមួយដែលសម្រាប់សម្ដែងដោយកុមារជំទង់ហើយនឹងបានបង្ហាញនៅភាពសប្បាយរីករាយក្រមាច់ក្រម៉ាំរបស់សត្វឆ្មា
Our next dance performance is a new one, debuting this year. The Chma, or cat, dance is a classical performance created during the reign of Her Majesty and Queen Mother, Sisawat Kosamak Nirirot Srey Watana. Through the use of refined royal language, this dance conveys a sense of quiet reverence and deep respect for the sovereign sacred presence. Traditionally performed by young maidens, this dance gracefully captures the playful, charm, gentle mischief, and lively spirit of royal cats. Meow, let's welcome our dancers.
chẳng ai bóng cung có rung ma đình không chẳng chi vết ai lơ để xa lúc mà ông ơi không không ơi nhóm đi nhà cả đôi mà om lên ơi nói đến không về tới chắc ơi em bên nó đến đi đôi lừa hôm nay ơi group nó có niệm tình ơi cho lại máu khoai bộ từ đô tràn cho chia sông
this beautiful dancer, Chong Kalayani Ariel J. Jela Garcia. Sophia Mol Hernandez. Carissa Matthews. Enya Mon. Rina Ben. Ria Ben. Soria Ben. Jaya Tan. Joranai Wagas. Amazing. Take another bow. Beautiful. You guys can exit the stage. បន្ទាប់មុននឹងខ្ញុំមិនប្រកាសរបាំថ្មីបន្ទាប់មកនេះខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណទៅលោកដេគុណវណ្ណា He make this beautiful stage, all of this print on it. He did it all with the help of the committee, but this is his vision, his ស្នាដៃ so ចាលោកដេគុណវណ្ណាជាដេគុណនៅក្នុងវត្តយើងនេះចាសូមអរគុណ Alright, but the next up. So last but not least, Som Chun Robam Kua Tralao. That's a fun dance. Robam Kua Tralao គឺជាការសម្ដែងដ៏រស់រវើកនិងរីករាយមួយដែលតែងតែត្រូវបានគេឃើញនៅក្នុងអំឡុងពេលពិធីបុណ្យនិងការប្រារព្ធពិធីនានានៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាវគ្គពាន់និងវគ្គអ្នករាំដែលប្រើត្រឡោកដូងជាឧបករណ៍ដោយគោះវាចូលគ្នាជាចង្វាក់ខណៈដែលសម្ដែងរបាំដ៏រស់រវើកនិងរីករាយរបាំនេះមានន័យថាបង្កើតបរិយាកាសសប្បាយរីករាយនិងពិធីបុណ្យហើយជារឿយត្រូវបានសម្ដែងជាក្រុមដែលឆ្លុះបញ្ចាំងពីស្មារតីសង្គមនិងការរួបគ្នាវាក៏អាចជានិមិត្តរូបនៃរបៀបរស់នៅរបស់កសិកម្មរបស់ប្រជាជនកម្ពុជាផងដែរដោយដូងជាធនធានធម្មជាតិទូទៅនៅក្នុងបរិស្ថានរបស់ខ្មែរ
And for our final dance performance, we brought back the coconut dance this year. The coconut dance is a lively and joyful performance often seen during festivals and celebrations in Cambodia. It involves dancers using coconuts as props, tapping them together in a rhythmic pattern while performing lively, upbeat choreography. This dance is meant to create fun, festive atmosphere and is often performed in a group, reflecting the spirit of community and togetherness. It may also symbolize the agricultural lifestyle of the Cambodian people, with coconuts being a common natural resource in their environments. We are looking forward to this dance. Madison Adams, Molly Bala, Jessica Chia, Sun Che, Sovan Hoover, Tina Hoover, Chin Yulin Jackson, Jaden Mia Hun, Melina Mao, Dorian Prasad, Thompson Say, Jada Tan, and Ramacio Vargas.
Welcome all. Welcome all the dancers to the stage. All the moms and dads.
ខ្លាំងពេកមិនស្រេកបាយទឹកអូនអើយអើយនឹកពេកមានថ្ងៃខ្លាំងពេកមិនស្រេកអោបាយទឹកបើឲ្យបងនឹកបើឲ្យបងនឹកមើលផ្លូវល្ងាចព្រឹកនឹកស្រីសើសូនមើលផ្លូវល្ងាចព្រឹកនឹកស្រីអោសើសូនបងលេងបងប្រឡែងនឹងបង